Fixkey AI just dropped, and in this review, I'm going to show you 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this brand new AI software. If you're thinking of getting started with Fixkey AI, or you've heard about its buzz and want the inside scoop, you're in the right place. Stick with me until the end. I'll be revealing my top recommendations for AI software you should check out based on years of experience in digital marketing. So let's jump right into it. First things first, Fixkey AI is built for simplicity and speed. It's designed to help streamline your business operations by automating tasks like content generation, lead tracking, and even customer interactions. The cool thing? You don't need to be an AI expert to use it. Everything is user-friendly and intuitive, making it a great tool for both beginners and experienced marketers alike. One of the standout features of Fixkey AI is its content generation capability. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media updates, or email marketing campaigns, Fixkey AI can assist in generating high-quality content fast. The AI doesn't just spit out random text, it uses natural language processing to ensure that the tone and style fit your brand's voice, which is key when creating content that resonates with your audience. Another area where Fixkey AI excels is in lead management. It has built-in tools to automate lead tracking, scoring, and follow-ups, so you can focus on closing sales rather than juggling spreadsheets or remembering follow-up dates. This can save you hours every week while ensuring no lead slips through the cracks. It's a great way to optimize your sales pipeline without needing a full-time assistant. Then there's the integration with other platforms. If you're using software like Shopify, HubSpot, or Zapier, Fixkey AI integrates seamlessly. This means you can pull in data from various channels, automate tasks across different tools, and create a cohesive system that works without hiccups. Plus, it's constantly updating to stay compatible with the latest tools and apps. Now, let's talk about personalization. Fixkey AI doesn't just give you generic solutions, it allows you to tailor its outputs to fit your specific business needs. Whether you're running a small e-commerce store or managing a larger organization, this flexibility means you get maximum value without wasting time tweaking things. It can adapt to various industries, which makes it versatile for anyone looking to scale quickly. What really sets Fixkey AI apart from others in the space is its HR analytics. The software provides powerful insights that let you track your campaign's performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. It offers detailed reports on things like engagement rates, conversion metrics, and ROI, which is invaluable for marketers who are constantly optimizing campaigns for better results. But one of the coolest features is its AI collaboration tools. If you're working with a team, Fixkey AI allows for seamless collaboration, where multiple users can access the platform and work on the same campaigns in real time. No more emailing documents back and forth or wondering who made the last edit. Everything is streamlined and accessible. Lastly, if you're worried about cost, here's the kicker. You can try Fixkey AI completely free from the first link in the description below. That's right, you can start exploring all these features without any risk or commitment. This gives you a chance to see if it's a good fit for your business needs before making any decisions. So, if you're serious about boosting your business operations, scaling your content efforts, and improving your lead management, Fixkey AI could be the game changer you've been waiting for. After testing out thousands of AI tools myself, I've compiled a list of top recommendations in the description below, tools you can try for free. Make sure to check those out if you're looking for the best AI options out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.